What's up YouTube, it's Alex Combow here from Snowbound Apothecary. Today I want to talk to you guys about gifts. So I touched briefly on this last week about the fact that some people are better at one thing than other things, but what I really want to talk to you guys about today is being able to use your gifts. So you have these certain skill sets that are unique to you. Maybe you're good at salesmanship, maybe you're good at persuading people, maybe you're good at learning things, maybe you're good at math, maybe you're good at English. No matter what it is, you have something that you are good at and better at than other aspects of you. So in life, we are given these things. Certain people are better at other things than other people. Now, the problem with most people is they go their whole lives thinking that because I can't do this, I am not this. Albert Einstein once said, "Everybody is a genius, but if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life thinking it's stupid." Now, what does this mean? This means that you have something that only you are good at compared to other people. Maybe you're good at marketing, maybe you're good at talking to people, maybe you're good at music, maybe you're good at painting, and you think because you suck at other areas that's it, there's nothing more for you. But what I'm here to tell you is that's not true. There are people that are good at some things and okay at other things. The thing about being human is you can always learn how to be okay at something, but you can't always learn how to be excellent at something. You can get to a certain point of expertise in something, and everybody has their own different caps, but you can never be excellent at every single thing in the world. And this is hard for most people to hear because everybody says you can be whatever you want to be in life. You can be anything. Yes, you can be anything, but if you are spending your time being a lawyer when you want to be a doctor, then you are wasting all this energy because it takes more energy to do something that you're not good at than it takes to do something that you're naturally good at. And that's because you have to constantly be guessing yourself. You have to be thinking harder and harder than you would have to be thinking if you're doing something that you're naturally good at. If you're naturally good at communicating with people, that's going to be easy. You don't have to mentally tell yourself, okay, I'm communicating with people now. You just find somebody and communicate with them because you're good at that. But on the flip side, there are all these skills in life that you need to learn how to do to be okay at, but you are never going to be excellent at everything. So find what your skill is that you are amazing at. Maybe you are amazing with money, maybe you're amazing with, I don't know, taxes. I don't know how you could be amazing with taxes, but maybe you are. Maybe you are amazing with lighting, maybe you're amazing with filmography, who knows? Find your thing that you're amazing with and use that ability as much as you possibly can in your business world, because once you find out how to implement that into your business, you'll find yourself having more stock of energy. You will have different abilities in front of you because you are spending less energy having to do something that you're good at than you would be spending trying to learn something that you're not good at. And this is how you sustainably plan for the long run in business. This is how you take your plan and you work 90 days off of 4 to 6 hours of sleep. Maybe you're working 18 hours a day, maybe you're working 20 hours a day. But because you don't have to put as much mental energy into what you're doing, your mind can automatically just click into that mode and just keep hustling, keep working, and it won't feel like you're spending 8 hours of work doing something that's just tedious and painful, and you get off of work and you're like, I'm out of energy. When in reality, if you spend that time doing something you like, when you get off of work in 20 hours, you'll still have a lot of energy because that is what you are good at. So find what it is that you're good at. Leave a comment below. Let me know what it is that is your natural gift. And I'm sorry to be the one to tell you guys that you can't excel at everything, but that's just the way it is. So thank you guys for watching. Learn a new skill, be good at it, be great at it, but you don't have to constantly worry about mastering this new skill. So please leave a like below, please leave a comment, please subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you guys on Thursday. Bye.